Hi, welcome everybody to my channel. My name is Munya. I'm an accountant, I'm a business coach, I'm a tax practitioner. Today we're going to talk about revenue in a business. When you are running your business, when you start your business, you want to make money in your business. And this money that comes to your business has got terms that we can refer it to. We refer to it as revenue. We can refer to it as sales. We can refer to it as income. We can refer to it as turnover and many other terms that you can use. I'm going to be referring to it as sales. So when you go into your business, you want to make sales. The reason why you want to make sales is the money that is going to come. And that money that is going to come, when you spend whatever you're going to spend, you are left with something that is the profit. So when the sales or the revenue is low or is not coming, then you are not running a profitable business. You are running maybe a charity organization. So we want to look at this revenue or this sales or income. What is the best way we can do to make sure that we are in the right track? So when you are running your business, for you to generate income to your business, you need to offer your clients what they want. So it's not about what you feel is okay. It's about what the market wants, and they are prepared to give you money for it. So you need to understand, how do they want it? So it's about the packaging. It's about which product you are going to offer and the packaging and the pricing that they are willing to pay for it. So you need to balance those things. If your sales are not happening, if you are not moving any product, if the people are not coming to buy your services, you need to go back and look. Why is that people are not buying my services? Am I overpriced? Am I not giving the quality they want? Am I not giving the service they want? Is it my customer service? So there are so many questions that you need to ask yourself. Why are my sales so low? Why are my sales not growing? Am I using the wrong method of marketing? Do people know me or they don't know me? So when you are in business, your revenue is what makes you a winner in business. If your revenue keeps on going down, it means maybe along the way something has gone wrong, you are doing something wrong, or the market is no longer interested in your products. If I can give, for example, remember the time of BlackBerry. I remember I owned one as well. Everyone wanted a BlackBerry. But now you can't even find a BlackBerry. Why? The market changed. Everyone now, when Samsung came in, it started taking the market, everything changed. BlackBerry went out of business. So it's the same with your business. You need to continue to be relevant so that people come and keep on buying and you get the revenue that you are looking for. Another variable that could be happening is that your customer service is bad. You might be offering a good service, you might be offering a good product, but your customer service sucks. People want to be treated well if they are supporting your business. They are the ones who are the kings in your business. For a business to exist, it's all about a customer. If a customer is not there, there is no business. So you want to maximize this whole revenue. You want to maximize the sales by offering the customer service that makes your clients so comfortable dealing with you. They need to come back tomorrow and feel that they are valued as a customer and to feel that you are giving them the value for their money. So sales, revenue, income, this figure needs to be always monitored. The reason why sometimes businesses don't do well is because they don't even manage records about their business. They don't even know. How much was the revenue last month? They don't know. How much revenue did you make last year? They don't know. So the most critical thing is for you to understand your figures. You need to know, this revenue that I'm making, is it an increase or it's a decrease? If my revenue is decreasing, why is it decreasing? Why is it that my customers are no longer buying as they used to do? But if there is no record keeping, there is nothing in place, there's no way you are going to see that. There's no way you are going to take action very quickly to say, you know what, things are not well, I need to do something. My revenue is really decreasing. What could be the reason? Another element in managing your revenue or your sales, there are people who offer their services or products on credit. If you are that business that offers on credit, you need also to have tight systems for your data's control. If you don't have a system to manage your data, you're going to lose money, because you are not going to have an accurate record to say who is owing how much. And people, when you don't follow them, some of the people don't even come and pay. They don't honor their debts until you come to them and say, you know what, you owe so much. So some businesses lose money because there's no proper system in place and there is no record keeping in place. So things are not done correctly and revenue is lost. So also, when you are that company that offers debt, you need to have good collection methods, because you can say, okay, we are moving sales, everything is moving. Our stock is moving very fast, but there is no money. The business can move a lot of stock, but without the real money. Why? They are selling on credit and the people are not paying. So it's not about how much stock you are moving, it's about the cash flow. How much money are you holding so that you are able to continue to grow your business, you are able to meet your expenses, you are able to have profit. So in accounting terms, you know, the unfortunate thing with accounting is that whenever you have sold something, whether it's on credit or cash basis, we record it as sales. That is the reason why you find that you always ask yourself, I see that you are saying I made a profit, but where is the money? The money is not there because you are selling on credit and those people are not paying. But according to the accounting books, you have already sold. But all the money is tied up in those people, in your customers, in your debtors. So you need to have very tight controls, very tight system in collecting the money. So your revenue, your income is what makes your business. When you are making money in your business, then your business is in the right path. When you are not making money or it's continuously decreasing, then something needs to be done. So this is what I wanted to share about this thing called revenue, income, or your sales. What can you check? What do you need to do to make sure that things are always on the right side for you and there's profitability and there's cash flow for your continuous success of your business? Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.